everyone, this is Dalise. Welcome to the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel. Today I am using the Stamp and Die set of the month of October, and it is called Drink and Be Merry. Let me put it here, and I'll do a close-up. Love the set. You get 3 adorable cups. Very cheerful ones. You have 3 sentiments: eat, drink, and be merry. Sweet Christmas wishes. But first, eggnog, which is the one I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this one and the polka dot cup. You get some fillers and a bigger size candy cane, which I have actually used before and introduced it here in this cup, so it's more prominent. The subscription comes with the stamps, or the stamps and the die cuts. I love these die cuts because it cuts the little insides of the handle, the mug, and I think that is such a cute detail. So I'm going to put my stamp set here so you can still see it. I am coming with a very unusual card base. I am going to do a black card base. And to this, I started with some red glitter cardstock. And those holes were made with just plain old die cuts that I did put together, and then I held them in place with a piece of washi, cut them out. And the idea that I am going with this is those polka dots. Those polka dots inspire me to do a ladybug theme mug. Ladybugs are all over the town right now here in the Midwest. And I thought, oh my God, that would be so cute. So I decided to do, that's why the card base is black. And we brought this red glitter paper here, and I am following the sketch from Sassy's LLC. Sarah has this cool sketch in there for her emergency cards, and I loved it. And I was just watching her. It comes with 2 circles, but I thought that was a little bit of an overkill here with the other circles that I'm doing. I'm going to put my cup right here. And then I'm going to use actually one of the circles that I did cut out of the glitter paper. This is going to go here. And then this, I'm going to put it right here. And that's where I'm going to put, but first, eggnog. And I did color, let me do a close-up. I did color this with alcohol markers. And then the extra circles that I cut out of the paper, I will put probably on the inside. And for part of the sketch, she has like a little bit of strips going down. So I didn't have this green that I used. So what I did is I used my markers and I just literally colored. And okay, I have some extra ones in. I don't know if I'm going to use that one or not. This are in vellum. Maybe like this. It's giving me like a watermelon vibe. Not quite sure I like it, so I might just use the vellum ones. Okay. So let me start by adding some glue onto my glitter paper, my panel. And this panel goes about 1/4 of an inch or so from the left hand border of the card, following Sarah's sketch. So there. Okay. Yep. That seems about right. Okay. Flowing it down. Okay. That looks good. I really like the vellum strips. I know that you're gonna probably see the glue on these. And you know what? I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it because I want the little detail that that strip gives. Actually, I'm going to pull it out. I heard that if you pull it out, back in. Da-da-da. Okay, that's fine. And then I'm going to chew. I heard. Okay. And then I passed my finger. Oops, sorry about that. If that bumped the camera. That is way less noticeable. And that's fine. Here on my chair, I'm going to cut a tiny bit of excess, not much. Okay, I think I got both of them. I'm going to put a little one. That looks kind of big. Okay, so there's mine. Okay. And this guy is going to go right there. The other one is going to go right here. So I'm going to glue this guy right here. Okay. That is perfect. I'm going to put some foam tape onto my eggnog cup. So, funny thing. I have never tried eggnog in my life. We have something in Puerto Rico that when we talk to our American friends, we call it Puerto Rican eggnog. So that's what we drink. We do not drink regular eggnog. We drink Puerto Rican eggnog. And it is Spanish is called coquito. And if you have tried it, it's a coconut-based drink. It is fabulous. Like, fabulous. I nothing I can explain to you compares it as magical. Can I say magical? Yes, it is magical. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. I need a little bit of. Okay, yep. So I am cutting these pieces. The reason I am cutting these pieces is to make sure that we have something that balances. So there's a layer here of the glitter cardstock. There you go. And I want to make sure that, okay, that I do have, I have one piece here. Perfect. I might need another piece there. Yep. So this will make the piece of my circle, the layered piece, be leveled with the rest of the items. By the way, this cardstock, craft cardstock is thick. I love it. I may need to go get some more. Okay, getting my phone tape off. Again, this is using the Drink and Be Merry stamp and die set from Not Too Shabby for the month of October. I'm thinking I might need to put this here. I'm going to actually put it a little bit off so it goes over that circle. This guy, I'm actually going to just glue it over it. But for doing the same thing I did for that circle, just adding a little bit to make it flat. Okay. And I actually need a little piece on this side. And then I will be able to first. Okay. Okay, so here is the front of my card. I'm going to have these extra circles. Here's where I'm going to. Okay. I am actually, this big circle that I originally cut for this sketch, I'm going to use it to write my sentiment. You could have also glued a piece of card, or like a white piece of paper or something to be able to write on it. That's totally fine. So I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to put this one up here. And this little piece that I'm cutting, I'm going to actually put a little bit more glue. And I'm going to put it up here on the top like it's coming from here. When you cut your pieces for something like this, make sure that you are keeping all these little pieces, because then you can use the pieces that you're cutting off. Okay. As you're cutting off, you can use them again. Like I'm gonna put this one underneath here. And there it is. I might need to, you know what? I'm gonna put that one there. And that mostly covers it. It is a fun and unexpected theme for a Christmas or holiday card. But first, eggnog. Again, it is using the Not Too Shabby stamp and die subscription of the month of October 2023.